going on, you guys? I'm here to unbox the RONNIE FIEG ASICS collaboration made in Japan, July 3, Militia Green. Yeah, let's go. Sorry for the poor quality, guys. Scissors too. There we go. Sorry for the poor lighting again. Oh, this is the first time I'm seeing this, so let's open it up. Here we go. Yeah. Ooh. Receipt. Oh, guys, I got lucky on this one. I was sitting down on my couch and I saw Kith tweeted out saying that these were available. Wow. Just wow. But yeah, I saw these were available. Looked at it right away. Let's open them. See? It's my first time seeing this too. Wow. Look at that. RONNIE FIEG ASICS collaboration made in Japan. Militia. Just wow. Don't look. This made in China. With 3 laces, 1 beige, 1 brown, 1 orange. Comes with this. I think this is the socks. I believe this is the socks. Wow. Stand socks. Gift. That's nice. That is nice. That looks, look at the shoe. Wow. Like on the inside. Sorry guys again for the poor quality. It's my first time. Hope you guys don't mind. Wow. Shoes just looks amazing. Suede. Oh, it's even suede in the toe box. Wow. Wow. This is even a suede. See, this was the difference between a salmon. I think the inside was a neoprene right here. And here it's all suede from here, but the inner lining though is not. I don't know, for some reason this one reminds me of the Jordan 4 Undefeated. Has a Kith 5 on the back. Wow. So I think the story with this is that nobody really knew that this was gonna release. Everybody thought that you needed a golden ticket from buying the Legends Day shoes from RONNIE FIEG from Kith. And I thought you needed the golden ticket, but they tweeted out right away that these were gonna be available. So, I mean, I saw on Twitter a lot of people were mad that it's kind of like a random release. But, you know, hey, you gotta follow Kith, right? But yeah, I got lucky. I was gonna get the salmon, but these ones, I like these ones better. With the orange sole, wow. Midsole is brown, yeah. Gel light with the netting on the back. Is it a net? Yeah, it's a net. But yeah, it's all suede. You got RONNIE over here, and you got FIEG over there. Wow. Presentation is nice. I mean, shoot, for $250, it's a lot of money. But hey, the quality's on point, so okay. Alright. Okay, here you go, guys. I'll give you guys an in-depth review. The suede on these is it's okay, but the quality is on point though, don't get me wrong. It's because I have the Beams and MILITIA collaboration with ASICS too, the Gelite 3, the souvenir jacket, and the suede on those is just crazy. And I was able to purchase that for, I think I purchased it for $140. I think. Don't get me wrong, this is nice. It's very nice. There you go. Give you guys 360. Show you guys the laces again. Like the beige, I think it's off-white. I don't know, what do you guys think? Off-white with these, orange, and the brown. I think I might go with the orange, but I might purchase a rope lace instead. Because rope laces with ASICS, they really just pop it. There you go. Like I said, everything around the shoe is suede. Even this one right here. For the salmon toes, this is neoprene, this section right here. Also, the reason why I chose this over the salmon toes is because the salmon toes was already released. These were the samples. These were only, I think, given to one person or something like that. There was a story about that. But I know these ones are the sample that they released. Because I know the salmon toes are re-released, even though the hype on that one is really, it's crazy right now. I checked eBay and salmon toes are going for like above 1K, which is insane. Even these ones, but I think these are gonna go for like under 1K. But I don't know. I don't think I'm selling it. We'll see. But the resale value is just big on this one. It's just crazy right now. I mean, I love this shoe. I do want to rock it, but I don't know. Right now, I'm 50-50 on it. Actually, 60% I'm gonna keep it. 40% I might resell it. I don't know. It is really nice though. Like I said, it reminds me of the Jordan 4 Undefeated. Because the Jordan 4 Undefeated had the same type of colorways too. That the hunter green, the orange, and the black. It might be the brown actually. But yeah, if you guys had a chance, go look that up. Jordan 4 Undefeated. Those are nice shoes too. But yeah, these ones remind me of them. It's just nice. Okay. Guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. I'm new to YouTube, so support. See you guys.